At first glance, an egg seems so innocent. Small, humble, and packed with protein. It's been a breakfast favorite for generations. In fact, for many seniors, eggs are a comfort food, a reminder of simpler times, a part of their morning ritual, a symbol of nourishment. But here's the surprising truth. The way we handle, cook, and even combine eggs with other foods can silently turn them from a superfood into a silent threat, especially for older adults. You may have heard, eggs are good for you. And yes, they absolutely can be, but only when eaten correctly. See, as we age, our bodies change. Digestion slows. The heart grows more vulnerable. The immune system becomes less forgiving. And what once felt fine at 40 may become dangerous at 70. That's why we must pay closer attention to how everyday foods, like eggs, interact with our aging bodies. This video is not here to scare you away from eggs. In fact, quite the opposite. Eggs are a rich source of protein, B12 and choline, all crucial for muscle health, brain function, and cellular repair in seniors. But here's the twist. Small mistakes with eggs can lead to big problems, from salmonella infections and blocked arteries to increased inflammation and weakened bones. So today, we're going to uncover the 9 most common mistakes seniors make with eggs and what you can do to fix them. We'll talk about how to cook them safely, what combinations to avoid, and which times of day are better for digestion. More importantly, we'll link each mistake to a specific senior health risk, like heart attacks, strokes, memory decline, or bone loss, because your health isn't about avoiding food, it's about understanding it. You deserve clarity, you deserve peace, and yes, you deserve to enjoy your meals without fear. Let's explore the truth together. Why eggs matter for seniors. But only when eaten. Right, eggs are one of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet. One large egg contains about 6 grams of high-quality protein and essential vitamins like B12, D, and A, nutrients that seniors often lack. They're easy to cook, affordable, and gentle on teeth, making them a perfect option for older adults. But here's the catch. While eggs are incredibly healthy when handled right, they can also trigger or worsen health issues if consumed carelessly, especially for those over 60. You see, seniors are more vulnerable to things like foodborne illnesses, high cholesterol, clogged arteries, and inflammation, all of which can be affected by how eggs are prepared, stored, or combined with other foods. For instance, something as simple as undercooking an egg or frying it in the wrong oil can increase the risk of infection or raise bad cholesterol levels significantly. And the truth is, many seniors don't even realize they're making these mistakes. Maybe you've done it too. Skipping breakfast but eating 2 fried eggs with butter at noon, or storing hard-boiled eggs in the fridge for a week without checking them. These may seem like small habits, but over time, they can quietly chip away at your health. That's why awareness is key. This video will walk you through 9 critical mistakes and provide better, safer options tailored for your body's needs after 60. Because with a few simple shifts, you can turn eggs into a powerhouse for energy, strength, and healing. So let's begin, mistake by mistake, with understanding and empowerment. The 9 common egg mistakes that can harm senior health. 1. Eating eggs that are not fully cooked. Risk of infection. Soft, runny yolk might feel nostalgic, especially for those who grew up eating sunny side up or soft-boiled eggs. But after 60, your immune system isn't as resilient as it once was. Undercooked eggs are one of the most common causes of salmonella poisoning, a bacterial infection that can be dangerous, even fatal, for seniors. Symptoms of salmonella include fever, cramps, vomiting, and diarrhea. And in older adults, they can escalate quickly into hospitalization. Fix this by always cooking your eggs thoroughly, whether boiled, scrambled, or fried. That means the yolk should be firm, not runny. You can also look for pasteurized eggs, which are heat-treated to kill bacteria without cooking the egg, offering a safer option for recipes like homemade mayo or soft desserts. Remember, your body has done so much for you over the years. Give. the protection it deserves. Frying eggs in butter or unhealthy oils. Heart risk increases. We've all done it. Crack an egg into a hot pan, let it sizzle in butter or vegetable oil, and enjoy that golden crust. But here's the hidden danger. Frying eggs in saturated fats or processed oils can spike LDL cholesterol, inflame arteries, and increase the risk of heart attacks or strokes. Butter, margarine, and most vegetable oils, like soybean or corn oil, break down at high heat and release harmful compounds. Instead, choose heart-friendly alternatives like olive oil or avocado oil, which are more stable and less inflammatory. Better yet, try poached, boiled, or steamed eggs, cooking methods that don't require extra fat at all. Your heart is still beating strong, and it deserves care in every bite. Skipping the yolk, missing out on essential nutrients. Many seniors skip the yolk out of fear of cholesterol, but modern science says the yolk is not your enemy. Egg yolks contain choline, a nutrient essential for brain health and memory. They also have vitamin D for bone strength and antioxidants like lutein for eye protection. Yes, yolks contain cholesterol, but they also come with healthy fats that help regulate that cholesterol. In fact, studies show that eating whole eggs in moderation does not raise heart disease risk in most seniors. So unless your doctor has given specific advice, don't toss the yolk. Instead, eat one whole egg per day, or alternate between one egg and one egg white to balance it out. Your brain, your bones, and your vision will thank you. Pairing eggs with processed meats, double trouble eggs and bacon, a classic combo. But for seniors, this combination can be dangerous. Processed meats like bacon, sausage, or ham contain nitrates, sodium, and saturated fats that raise blood pressure, inflame arteries, and increase cancer risk. When eaten with eggs, the saturated fat load doubles, putting your heart under stress. Try pairing your eggs with vegetables, avocado, or whole grains instead. A spinach and egg scramble, a veggie omelet, or boiled eggs with oats and fruit make much healthier options. The goal isn't to remove joy from your meals, it's to give your body joy in return. Eating eggs late at night, risking sleep. And digestion eggs are rich in protein, which is excellent during the day for energy and muscle repair. But eating protein-heavy meals late at night can strain digestion and affect sleep, especially for seniors with acid reflux or slower metabolism. Late-night egg dishes like omelets or egg sandwiches may cause discomfort, bloating, or even disrupted sleep. Instead, aim to eat eggs earlier in the day, ideally at breakfast or lunch. If you need a nighttime snack, choose something light like a banana, yogurt, or chamomile tea. Your sleep is sacred. Don't burden it with heavy foods too late. Not checking egg freshness. Hidden danger in the fridge. Many seniors don't realize that eggs expire quietly, and unlike milk, they don't always smell bad when they're unsafe. Old eggs can harbor bacteria, and if stored incorrectly, they may cause foodborne illness even if cooked. Always check the expiration date and do the water float test. Place the egg in a bowl of water, and if it sinks, it's fresh. If it floats, it's old and should be tossed. Also, store eggs in the main part of the fridge, not in the door, as temperature fluctuations can make them spoil faster. Protect your body by honoring freshness. Eating too many eggs per day. Overloading the liver. Eggs are nutrient-dense, but too much of a good thing can still cause harm, especially if your liver or gallbladder is sensitive. Overconsumption, like 3 to 4 eggs daily, may overwhelm the liver with cholesterol and fat processing, leading to digestive discomfort, fatigue, or even gallbladder issues. Moderation is key. Most seniors benefit from 1 egg per day, or 6 to 7 per week, paired with vegetables or healthy grains. Listen to your body. It knows the right balance. Ignoring allergic reactions or food sensitivities. Egg allergies aren't just for children. They can develop later in life too. If you notice symptoms like rashes, stomach pain, swelling, or breathing difficulties after eating eggs, it may signal a delayed sensitivity. Some seniors experience these symptoms but never connect them to eggs, Always check with your doctor if you suspect food intolerance. Alternatives like tofu scrambles or egg-free recipes can offer relief while keeping meals enjoyable. Honor your body's signals. They are sacred whispers of wisdom. Not drinking enough water with eggs, dehydration. Risk eggs are a concentrated source of protein, and protein digestion requires water. Many seniors already struggle with low hydration levels, which leads to constipation, fatigue, and muscle cramps. Eating eggs without enough water can worsen these symptoms. Always drink a glass of water with your meal, especially if eggs are involved. Add fruits, soups, or herbal teas to your routine to stay hydrated gently throughout the day. Your body thrives on water, just like a tree needs rain to bloom. What you can do today, without overwhelm. The goal isn't perfection, it's awareness. Even if you've made some of these mistakes before, now you know. And knowing gives you the power to choose differently, to protect your health gently, and to feel better with each bite. Start with just one simple change. Maybe you'll switch from frying in butter to boiling your eggs. Maybe you'll skip the bacon and add spinach instead. Maybe you'll drink a little more water during breakfast. Or maybe you'll simply listen to your body and eat more mindfully. These aren't big tasks. They're tiny gifts of love for your future self. Your meals should nourish you, not burden you. Because every day you wake up is a blessing, and every bite you take is a chance to heal, energize, and renew. Your body deserves peace. Not pressure aging doesn't mean giving up the foods you love. It means learning how to love them in new ways. You don't have to stop eating eggs. You just need to understand them better. Your body, even now, is full of wisdom, healing, and strength. When you care for it gently, it responds with energy, clarity, and peace. The truth is, food is medicine, but only when chosen wisely, prepared carefully, and eaten with joy. So treat your plate like a sacred offering to your health. You've lived through decades of experience, growth, and change. You deserve nourishment that honors that. Let your meals be a source of healing, not harm. Let your kitchen become a temple of well-being. And let every bite remind you, your life is still precious, still purposeful, and still full of beauty. If you found this video helpful, inspiring, or eye-opening, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Your story matters, and your voice can help someone else live longer, stronger, and wiser. In the comments below, share your own egg habits, or tell us which mistake surprised you the most. Are there other senior health topics you'd like us to explore? We're here to serve you. And if you know a friend or family member who eats eggs daily, share this video with them, because just one small change can prevent a big health scare. Together, we're building a community of informed, empowered, and spiritually strong seniors. And remember, your body deserves peace, not pressure. Your food should heal, not harm. And your wisdom is a light for others. Thank you for watching. Stay blessed, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.